Okay, I'm going to have you say some words after me. Say rip, whip.
Rip, whip.
Good job. Say run, one.
One, one.
Okay, try again. Repeat after me. Run, one.
One, one.
Okay, repeat after me. We're going to try a different way. Say run, one.
One, one.
Okay, let's try again. Watch me, listen to me, and say it with me. Run. Now say it with me. Run.
One.
Okay, let's try it again, a different way. Say the word like this. Un.
Un.
Good job. If she had not successfully completed step 4, I would have provided verbal articulatory placement instructions. And then I would have modeled the sound in isolation.